Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. If you're coming for the first time, I make lots of lifestyle videos, fashion videos and vlogs. And as the title already says, in this video we are going to be talking about AUTO GELE. Around the end of last year, there was a trend of AUTO GELE that's continued into 2018. I did have a few videos. I still have the videos up. I think about 5 or 6 of them, and they did pretty well. They are still doing pretty well. We did have a training in December and it was a huge success. Your girl made a lot of money, and as you know, I like to say, if you're going to be wondering if you made a lot of money, what did you do with that money? Well, this is what I did with the money. I saved it. I'm a huge advocate of savings, and I saved it. But the major problem I had, about the time I was ready to save was, okay, do I want to go to the bank and withdraw all this money and come and put it inside piggy bank inside my house when I can break it anytime? And after I thought about it, I just, the girl does her research, and also a friend of mine recommended it to me. I discovered an app called Cowrywise. So basically what I did was, instead of going to the bank to withdraw this money and come home and put it in my piggy bank, I put it in the app. What you do on the app is you download the app, fill in your details. You can save weekly, daily, monthly. I do Ajo. In case you didn't know, I do Ajo. So it's just like Ajo for me. Weekly, put this amount. That's what I'm doing at the moment. Weekly, take out this amount from my account, save it for me. When I'm ready, I'll collect my thing. Or you can do daily, even if it's like 200 naira per day. Life is just easy. And for us that use Android, it's on the Play Store. In fact, I have a link in the description box where you can follow to download the app. If you use iPhone, you can use Cowrywise via the website. Trust me, it's a very sweet experience you don't want to miss out on. At the moment, I'm doing the weekly plan. That is, I'm saving money weekly towards a travel. We're going to be traveling this year. And over time, when money hits my hand a little bit more, I tend to do like a daily or monthly plan. And the best part, you can take your money anytime. Like, if I want my money today, take it. If it's 1.5 you have saved, carry your money and go. It's really sweet. The best part, aside that part, is that it is completely free. Like, nobody's charging you there's no hidden commission, no terms and conditions, nothing like that. So download the app, links in the description, and come back and tell me how it goes, because I'm using Cowrywise. And yeah, let's move on to the topic of today before we use the whole video to talk about savings. We're talking about AUTO GELE, whether or not you should be spending your money on that hish or you should be saving that money. So let's start off with the pros. The first pro for me is that AUTO GELE is easy to wear. This is perfect for people who know next to nothing about tying. When you are trying to figure out that pleat and you're like 1, 2, 3, then when you now take the other one and everything just scattered. I've seen people, this is even the most hilarious thing, I've seen people at weddings that just, I don't know what I would say they are tying on their head. It looks like sweet wrapper, necklace. That's what it looks like. What is this? What happened? What is this on your head? What happened? And there are many times, even at parties, that you see people running around with their gele, and gele. Last party I went to, I tied gele for 2 people. If I charged them money, we would have seen transport fare. But for people who know next to nothing about gele but want to have the look of classy, chic, AUTO GELE is perfect for you. Now the next one is AUTO GELE is super fashionable. This one, you can't beat it. The thing with AUTO GELE is it is a perfectly made gele. Like, oh sweet girls, it's just on point. When you tie your gele, because you are the one tying your gele, the pleats can be here, this one can be down, or where this one should come. With AUTO GELE, it's perfect. You're looking like the bride on somebody else's wedding day. Like, I don't know, what else would you rather have? Like, a scattered gele or an AUTO GELE? I think I would like to have the AUTO GELE just to look beautiful. The next one is AUTO GELE saves you time. Let me share a story with you. I went to a wedding in Alagbado. I think it's Alagbado. First time going there, right? Now, as an Owanbe party goer, I don't tie my gele from the house because I'm going to enter down for bus, right? And I cannot be tying gele and be adjusting. So this is what I did. I just packed my gele, packed my heels and everything, put it in the bag, and I was like, okay, when I get to the reception car park, I'll tie my gele. Then I started looking for a jeep so that I can stand and tie the gele. Halfway into tying the gele, that's how the owner of the car came to carry his car. Okay, what are we going to do? On to the next jeep, right? And I realized after I finished tying my gele that I was outside for like 20 minutes. In the sun, trying to tie gele, when I could have been inside, eating some nice small chops, nice cold drink and enjoying the AC. But no, I was trying to tie gele outside. But if I had AUTO GELE, I'm sure you know the answer to that question. I would have just worn it and be slaying Instagram. Like, the final one is it saves you actual headache. Have you ever tied gele and you have headache? I've done it in the past. And the thing is, we have to go through this party with the headache and the gele, because if you take off the gele, then you don't look as pretty, but you know you have to endure the gele because you want to look pretty and endure the headache, and you're just there like, oh my god, my scarf is not tight. Don't look at my scarf, it's not tight. I made sure it's not tight. But one of the interesting things about AUTO GELE is there are majorly two types. There are some that come with the elastic bands that you just have to expand and fit into your hair, and the ones that you tie and they are not even tight. You just tie like a bow and it's perfect. So AUTO GELE saves you headache. Like I'll trade a gele for an AUTO GELE if that, because I cannot be at a party and now the only thing I'm thinking about is how now my blood vessel is pumping blood here because I'm having serious headache. So AUTO GELE saves you a lot of headache. So let's go straight into the cons, because you know nothing is perfect. The first one is it is restricting. Oftentimes AUTO GELE comes in one style, you know, round gele, fan gele, and yeah, that is pretty much all that there is to that gele. Like you can't do anything with it. It's like a stone. Let's say for instance I'm going for a party and I want to tie my favorite pink gele. You know, I can decide, let me give them fan gele today, or let me give them take a bow, you know, Kodisoko and the rest. But with AUTO GELE, being that it came in as an AUTO GELE, it is round, that is what it is. You have no option, you have no style, you begin to look like, you know, you are wearing a school uniform. If you are wearing the AUTO GELE with the same outfit all the time, it just begins to look really repetitive. So I want to consider that before making yourself an AUTO GELE. The next one is it can't be washed. This one can be tricky, right? Because with gele you can wash it, and you can, even if it's dirty, even if your gele is dirty, like let's say this part of my gele is dirty, I can fold it in and put another one there. But with AUTO GELE, that dirty part is forever dirty. But here's the thing, when you now decide to wash it, because oftentimes when you wash gele, you either use your hand or use brush, that part might begin to change color over time, and once that happens, like, what's the point? What's the point of having a gele when this place is baby pink and the rest of the gele is rose pink? Like, can you explain to me what's happening? So that's a major downside to AUTO GELE. You really can't wash it and it becomes very annoying. Now the next one is if it is not done properly well, your AUTO GELE will look like a vicar's wife's hat. Oh god. I went for a party as well, and because I did teach how to make AUTO GELE and I know AUTO GELE when I see it, I saw one AUTO GELE and I was like, Lily, you look like carton. Like it was just too if you don't make your AUTO GELE in a very good place, or you just go to somebody that just watched like a few videos and has not practiced as much, your AUTO GELE will just look like a cap. If it's not done properly well, it can look like a hat. Now the next one is it takes up space. AUTO GELE is what's the word now? It has to stay like that. I'm trying to compare it to something, but you know how AUTO GELE is made. It's like egg. So you have to place it where it would not really be affected by a lot of things, and it will take up space. For a normal gele, you can fold it and squeeze it inside a box. You can squeeze like 50 geles inside one box. But with AUTO GELE, you can't be squeezing nothing, because by the time you decide to bring it out and wear it, they will ask you, you want to keep your AUTO GELE looking cute, looking fresh. So AUTO GELE can take up a lot of space if you don't have that. Those are the pros and the cons of AUTO GELE. I would like to know if you have an AUTO GELE, or if you plan to invest in an AUTO GELE. Let me know, what do you think are the pros, or what have you seen as you're using yours are the pros and the cons of AUTO GELE. In summary, I would say AUTO GELE, yes, you should invest in it if you are a novice about gele, if you know next to nothing about gele, or if you feel like you cannot even be bothered, like you cannot be spending time to be counting plates on your head. Of course it's something you want to invest in, but overall I think you should not go all in, because at the same time I do feel like it is a trend and it will go. And also if you don't want to use all your gele for AUTO GELE, it's like, nah, that will not be nice. Like that will not just be nice. So at the end of the day, think before you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe down below for awesome content like this one, and also leave me a comment on whether or not you're going to invest in AUTO GELE, or if you already have an AUTO GELE. I would like to give a huge humongous shout outs to my friend Tosin Olaniyi. She's a fellow blogger and YouTuber. In fact, I am using her space right now. I am using her light, and she's behind the camera helping me out. I do not take this for granted. I'll put links to our social media handles, blog, YouTube channel in the description box. In fact, she has been on this channel before in one of my vlogs. I'll link that as well so you know what I'm talking about. Thank you so much, Tosin, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.